Hi, my name is Harpreet Singh Bagga and I'm project manager at Ksolves India Limited. Today, in the ERP market, Odoo is the fastest growing ERP system across over the globe with its open source nature, friendly user interface, and easy to customize as per the client needs. Today, I'm sharing one of our case study from health and pharma sector where clients were facing a lot of issues to manage their manufacturing and quality processes along with many compliances and parameters. Customer was facing a lot of issues to make their inventory up and running for their regular manufacturing demands from the market. Also, the client was struggling with the right planning and schedule with their manufacturing orders along with the subcontracting involvement. Client is facing a lot of trouble to collect and track their CCP critical checkpoints with each and every lot they were manufacturing. With these reasons, client was facing a heavy delays in their manufacturing process and the order fulfillment. Client don't have any visibility or forecasting about their orders and procurement. With the rescue of this project, we understand the pain points from the client and did the RS sessions with client, where we have prepared a complete BRS document where we capture all the business workflows and processes. We provide the solution to the client by setting up the right configuration and automate their many processes where they were doing manually. We customize the system such a way where client can do the required configurations to manage or adjust their manufacturing processes according to their priority. We have also implemented the CCP on each and every process from raw material to finished good, along with their parameters and tolerance level according to their industry compliances. As a result, now client is managing all their manufacturing processes very effectively and efficiently. We have reduced more than 45% of manual intervention of users by implementing automations in their process. Client has noticed their operations are more fast by 38% with this implementation. Client has also noticed that their business is grown by 25% with a faster order fulfillment. So, this is how Ksolves helps their clients to manage their business effectively with a process-driven approach. If you have any new requirement or a similar requirement like this, kindly contact us. Thank you.